Hi, cha! Welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? It is December 22nd of 2024, and we are back for yet another stream. We're literally picking up where we left off yesterday. Honestly, I haven't moved my computer at all since then. Yeah, we're dealing with day 21 of Advent of Code, and I went and got some new beer today. We're gonna try out this, the Fluffer Nutter. I'm not gonna lie. I mostly grabbed it because it said limited edition, and I was like, pry off cap. I was like, why are there directions? Hey, what's up, Angelina X? Hello, hello. And I was like, I am millennial. I am sucker for limited edition. I grabbed limited edition. Oh, interesting. I did not expect it to be this color. I guess it's, I thought it said stout on it. Oh, a white stout. I see. And I'm gonna have to pour twice because I apparently pour. I mean, this is a healthy beer pour, but I wanted to get the bottle at once, so I have to do it twice. Anyway, let me say everyone who's here. JJMC was first today. Hello, hello. The other Shiver is also here. How you doing? Meat Sauce, welcome back. Good to see you again. I get to replay your notification here. Thank you for the resub at 22 months. It's great to see you again. Indeed, long time no see. And welcome back. It's all foam. I mean, it's not all foam. This is like, if you look at a beer emoji, this is exactly what it looks like. So I didn't do that poorly. It's good. It's subtle. I thought it might be a little bit overwhelming. But anyway, all right, we got kind of two choices today. I've been thinking a lot about this problem, and I'm pretty sure I'm approaching it completely wrong. So what we could do is do day 21, or we could do day 22 and then come back to this one. What should we do, chat? Grandpa's iPad's also here. Do you have time off for the holidays? I mean, I have just like my standard 2 holiday days. I might just take them off because there's not going to be anyone in the office, so there's not going to be anyone online. It's going to be me by myself, probably not working on anything too productive, so might just take it off. I don't know. Haven't really thought about it yet, but I will cross that bridge when I get to it tomorrow. Yeah. NK Mason, hello, how you doing? I have to work Monday and Friday. Could be like that every week. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I only have Tuesday, Wednesday off. And so I can choose to work the other days. All right, chat, what are we going to do? Are we doing day 21 or should we do day 22? I kind of want to do day 22 and come back to day 21 just because I'm a little bit stuck right now, but I have an idea and it's going to take a long time to rewrite it. But what are the thoughts? What are the thoughts? Bodega Meat Tea says this week is basically a free holiday without using up PTO. Hey, true. Meat Sauce says being the only person online is a blessing more than a chore, I'd say. I think yes and no, because like if you need a code review, you're just fucked. Which sucks. All right, we're gonna do day 22 first, and then we'll come back. Just because it'll be a little bit more interesting. Got some numbers. Yeah. Captain Chica says, why not day OX15? You know, I am not I cannot immediately recognize hex digits because I haven't dealt with them in a long time. In college, I probably could have just told you this directly, although this is an easy one. It's 16 plus 5, but also easier for me to just type it in there. Okay, we have a bunch of numbers of variable lengths, a whole bunch of numbers, a very, very large number of numbers of varying lengths. Okay, cool. Get our sample input here, and Get the number. NKCSS says, sad you don't have the admin of code tag. Just finished day 22. Would have rated it if I saw you. That's okay. That's okay. Hopefully you had fun. And yeah, Twitch rates are a little bit messed up right now anyway, so I don't blame you. It's fine. Don't worry about it. But also, welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. How's your admin of code journey going? Okay, something generate numbers. Okay. Secret number. Evolves in the next secret number in the sequence by doing the following process. Multiply by 64. Mix this result into the secret number. Prune this secret number. Divide by 32. Round the result to the nearest integer. Then mix this into the secret number. Then prune the secret number. What the fuck is mixing? I'll go back to day 21 when I have some more time. Yeah, I'm planning to do that after 22. Mr. Swats, hello. How you doing? Bitwise OR of the given value and the secret number, then the secret number becomes the result of that operation. Okay, so it's XOR into it. Prune the number. Calculate the value of the secret number mod that number, which is not prime. But it does look bitwise. Is this cool? Oh, okay. Not showing my... I was worried if it showed my cookies, but... Yes, it is a roughly bitwise number. So it is literally just chop the lower bits off. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah. Cool. So I think part 1 will just be brute force this. Part 2 is probably figure out the bit magic and do it quickly, but so fire had a secret number of this. Those are the next one. That's not even the same. Each buyer uses their own secret number when choosing their price, so it's important to be able to predict the sequence of numbers for each buyer. Initial secret number of each buyer. Your puzzle input. Okay, so this is an example. Not this. But we can also use that other number, I guess, to figure it out. In a single day, buyers have the time to generate 2,000 new secret numbers. For each buyer, okay, so these are the list of buyers, and then we get these, and then we sum them up. Okay. This shouldn't be too bad to brute force, so let's do that. For number in numbers. Oh, I even actually already have the loop here. We'll just reuse our loop. Okay. Okay, I guess we just do the operations. Yeah, I mean, part 1 seems super straightforward, but part 2 is going to be something terrible. So the interesting thing about these operations is this is a left shift, this is a right shift, and mixing is XORing with the value. So you basically take a mask, move it over, flip all the bits, then move it halfway back, and then take the lower bits, and then multiply by this, which is another left shift. And then, okay. So, I mean, these operations don't seem too bad to actually simplify for part 2, but for now, we'll just do them by hand. Sidestep says, have any of you had the need to build a functionality in a small app that is just some weird but has some custom need for it? I sure do. I need to build a tiny REST API First launches X Selenium windows to log into systems, and then have an endpoint to switch between browser windows based on a state. Kiosk mode app. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I've always needed to do some sort of weird nonsense like that. Crow, hello, how you doing? Sending them OTD. It's funny because I think you are the one that does it the most, Crow. That's also pretty good. Woosa, hello. Is he drinking Jack Daniels? No, we're drinking a beer called Fluffer Nutter. It is, oh, it's 8%. Okay, it doesn't taste like 8%, so it's a little risky. Wendy2K, thank you for the follow and for the gifted sub to Smake5. Welcome to the stream. I hope I'm saying your name correctly, but welcome. Selenium is annoying. Yeah. AGI and ASI is alive. Oh no. How's the AI situation in AOC this year compared to last year? It's worse. AI has gotten better, and so it's taking more of the leaderboard spots because people aren't really paying attention to the rules. But what are you gonna do? Okay, so let's perform these steps. So x times equals 64. Oh. It's just XOR, right? I don't need to actually write a function. Literally just XOR. Okay. Divide by 32 and then mix. Then prune. Why would you need to prune here? I don't know. X mixed with X divided by parentheses, even though it matters there. And then mod that number, which is just a bitmap. Fine. You should write XOR equals. Yeah, that's true. This. And third step is X XOR equals X times 248. Then X mod equals. Okay, so part one doesn't seem too bad. It's literally just do this shit a lot. Missing return statement. First, we get the definitely correct number here. Valdothis is also here. How was AOC for you this year? I need to figure out the second part of 21, but other than that, I'm doing fine. So I think you immediately called the bit shifts, yet still implemented as multiplication. So it doesn't actually super matter because Python will just turn this into a div. So it's easier just not try and think about it that way. I thought AI got cooked day 13 onwards. No, that's pretty good. It's pretty good, unfortunately. You should write XOR equals just because there aren't many situations where you can do that. That's true. Defcant Games says if I install Babby, don't become a 10xer, then I'm suing. Good luck. Figueres says my brother in Christ are using the arrow keys to move around. Doesn't that hurt? No. Frozen Wine Cloud, thank you for the resub at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Welcome back, and I appreciate your continued support. I hope you're doing well. I haven't done any AOC yet. Any int code like problems this year so far? There is one sort of int code, like sort of assembly-ish language one, but it wasn't very complicated. Like it wasn't as like involved as int code. I'm hoping like if Eric doesn't encode at some point, I'm gonna be a little disappointed. I mean, a little disappointed, tbh. Okay, so why are we getting the wrong number? Is the first part. I guess we should start with something and show what it does. So let's just breakpoint here, and we're going to breakpoint here. And figure out why we're not getting the right value. So we compute 1, 2, 3. I guess we can even just do 1. N equals 1. We get that value. Yes. Cool. Then we get this value. No, we get something different. What the fuck? Why do we get something different? Do I just suck at reading? MDS Ubuntu, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Oh, you're streaking too, Def Can't Game. Okay, so what the fuck? What did I miss here? Multiply by 64 and mix. Oh, and prune. I missed the prune here. Probably what it is. 1, 6. Yeah, that's probably the problem. Okay, so for part 1, it shouldn't be too bad. I mean, it obviously takes a while, but brute force is fine there. Reading is hard, true. Yeah, well, I think the biggest thing is the line was so long that I didn't even tab it out properly and just looked it up. Bodega Meat says, I'm too lazy to become a 10xer. Haven't even set up any aliases ever. You don't actually need many aliases, to be honest. I mean, not saying I have a 10xer. I'm probably like a 30xer, but this is literally all of my aliases, and 2 of them are memes. And almost all of them are typos. This is the only one that I'm brain broken. Oh, and this is because color is off by default. So honestly, I'm only using 1 alias. I guess I have some get aliases too, but I think they're just typos also. Yeah, this one is a meme, and the others 2 are typos. But literally, I have 1 alias. Literally 1 alias. That's it. Okay, so part 2 is blah blah blah. Just the 1's digit of each of their secret numbers. What the fuck? Why is there so much reading? Okay, so remember this, all that, yeah. Okay. Highest price would be 6. Determine which sequence of 4 price changes will cause the monkey to get you the most bananas. Fuck is this problem? Oh boy. There's a lot of reading. I feel like this isn't actually... This isn't actually, I don't actually think I need to do anything algorithmic here. I think I can just brute force this. You can do get ad infinitum. It's true, it's true. This is a Kevin classic. This is actually convenient because fairly often I actually do get status. Like I type get, I get distracted, I do something else, you know, I walk away from my computer, I come back, and then I type get status. And now it just works. Yeah. That's all that one does. That's all that one does. Okay, so I feel like this is a lot of reading. But I'm pretty sure we can just I'm pretty sure we can just brute force this. -3, 6, -1, 5. What is this shit over here? This is the deltas. But it's always literally just the value that's here. So I think we just generate all of the integer sequences and then generate all the deltas. And it's really the first time a sequence occurs, so we can also generate all of the sliding window sequences to numbers. And then we can just try all of the possible ones. Like, I don't think brute forcing this is that bad. How many subsequences are we gonna get? Probably we'd have to get to up to 1,000? No. 10,000 per number. Up to. Unlikely to have that many. 10,000 times 2,000? Not a very big number. Yeah, we're just gonna brute force this one. Okay. So, well, let's figure out what the answer is for this input. It's 23. Winnie Thips, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? Hi there, it's Code. Hi all. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so we really just have to yield a generator of deltas and number. Or delta and number, I guess. So this will be generator tuple int. And do we ever yield the first one? I don't know. No change? Okay, so it has to be this, I guess. Been doing a few of these myself, but not putting too much time in. Then up to around day 7. Nice! That's awesome. That's really cool. Prev equals x mod 10. Yield delta delta do. So if it was previously 6 and it becomes 3, then should be swear. And then do I enjoy them? Of course. Of course. I've done almost all of them so far. I have done every single problem except for 21 part 2 and 22 part 2 this year. I'm going to go back to 21 after doing this one. So we basically just need to do a sliding window here. We're gonna compute the number of bananas. 4. Oh. Is that how that works? Max Len. For delta val, this delta, and actually typing's gonna be mad, so we're gonna do this. And consistent. Set default will allow us to only set it the first time. Python seems like a good choice of language for these. Yeah, it's pretty flexible. So we get all of the list of things. No return value, of course. Ret needs an annotation. Dict tuple int dot 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 int. This is collections.deck int. Missing return statement. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, a little bit nutty there. That's fine though. Pila pie. No, I don't know if I said that right. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. I hope you're doing well. We have all these. So what is the expected one that it says is the answer? So just because I can, just so I can eyeball it. This. So. Okay. Well, that is shit, I guess. What the fuck? That one does not appear. What the fuck? Hmm. Pennsylvania boy says toggle the standing desk. Okay. Oh shit. Ah. I didn't. Oh no. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Meat Sauce says recently learned about chain map. Have you ever come across a use case for it? Let's see. All your post grep chain map in Python files. In PyTest, this is data. Babby has a chain map, but it's not actually a chain map, it's a F chain map. Because I wanted a frozen version of it. Apparently it's used as part of the highlighting. Which makes sense, sort of. The way, I mean, the way the coloring works is kind of based on like CSS selectors. Fucking chain map? Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so what the fuck? Why did we not get this sequence in there at all? That seems busted. Oh, because I know what happened. I don't think I updated the value. 1, -1, 3. -2, 1, -1, 3. Oh, fuck. Oh, -2. Aha! Okay. Winnie Thips, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I gotta go, so I thought I'd drop a follow and hopefully catch you next time. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you hanging out for a short time, but you know, any amount of time is a good one too. Good luck with your challenge. Thanks. So I'm just gonna fucking try every key combination and see where we get. It's gonna be kind of slow, but I don't care. Test equals 0. For dict invidence, for k in dict. But really we could find the smallest set of these. God, do I use reduce here? We can or set lakes, I think. This is one of the few uses of keys. Goes back a set. Yeah. All keys equal set for dict in bananas. Bananas. all keys or equals dict.keys, and best equals 0. Oh. Where this is gonna be too slow, but I think it'll be fine. 4k in all keys. Total equals sum banan dot get k0 for and in bands. Best equals max total best return. That tuple int dot dot dot. Yeah. 24. Fucking A. What? How? How the fuck? How did that happen? Somehow it thinks that this is the best sequence. Hey, what's up, Andrew Linux? When you got an LSP, probably never. So what the hell? How did we get a higher number than what the example thinks is possible? Suspicious! Did I copy paste incorrectly? Test info for part 2 changed? Oh. Did it? Did. Oh. Did. Aha! Alright, it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Hey, we're back, and look at that, we got the right answer. It only took 30 seconds. Woo! Had the same issue, so I recognize the number. Hey, there you go. Connie says sneaky Eric. It's true. That is a little bit sneaky. All right, so we did day 21. Cool. Or nope. Day 22. I gotta go back and do day 21. What is this? Drugs? We merged that already? Yeah, we did. Cool. All right. So I've been thinking about this problem a lot. Do you follow conventional commits? No, conventional commits are fucking stupid. They're bad. They're bad for two reasons. One, like, if your goal is to communicate to a computer how to process your changelog, they're insufficient. Like the whole argument for conventional commits is like, oh yeah, if you follow conventional commits, then you can generate a changelog for your output. But 9 times out of 10, even if you follow conventional commits to a T, the output, the resulting changelog is fucking garbage. It's useless. It's nonsense. You don't capture all the context that you need to communicate the changes to your end users. And no amount of conventional commits is going to help you with that. And if you're not generating a changelog from it, you're literally just making your developers jump through hoops for no fucking reason, because it provides zero benefit to anyone. It just makes it harder to read your message and harder to explain what you're doing. To show you just how much I fucking hate conventional commits, I will show you my commits to Sentry, which work enforces, well, it doesn't really enforce, but strongly encourages conventional commits. And if you don't follow it, people will grumble about it. But just to show you, get Sentry. Just to show you how much I give a shit about conventional commits. Let me show you what my conventional commits are for Sentry. Hang on a sec though. This takes fucking forever to clone because this repo is massive. Xololo, how you doing? The other server already knows the answer, unfortunately. But PTSD immediately walking into a talk about conventional commits, right? Someone got triggered? No, I'm not triggered. I just feel passionately about this. In that some people are like, "Meh, conventional commits is the only way," and it's a fucking waste of time. It's a huge fucking waste of time. And it has only negatives and very few upsides, in my opinion. Of course, those two statements are contradictory, but I think it's almost entirely negatives and not really positives. But yeah. All right, come on, clone this damn repo so I can show the punchline of my stupid fucking joke. I would make fun of it and use ref for commits in even numbered weeks and feet in odd numbered weeks. That's almost as funny as what I'm doing. All right, if we get log author equals me, format equals %s, and then cut -d colon f1, and then sort, and then unique -c, and then sort that. That should give me the types of conventional commits that I have done. And I can tell you, as a matter of fact, these are ones where somebody else edited my pull request description. So most of these are reverts. Some of them are me just ignoring the guidelines. This one, actually, almost all of these that aren't the reverts are, yeah, let's get rid of reverts. Grep-v revert. Oh, we gotta get rid of reapply too. Yeah, so we have 1,600 commits that are ref, and then these are all either I didn't follow it or someone else edited my pull request for me. Sentry, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Yeah, I guess I cloned you. 25k redeem for code review. Is that any and all code? Yes, within reason. Do you respect the line length limit for commit, summary, and description? No, fuck that. That's a waste of time too. What does ref mean? Ref means refactor. So I'm claiming that every single one of my commits is a refactor, which is a lie. But I think conventional commits are stupid. So this is what I do. And I share a link to an interpreter I made in Python. It's only the second program I made unassisted, and I would code a compiler if I knew how to. Sure, send it. Wow, I'm actually surprised this number is so high. I guess I've done 1,600 things. Rebelit user. That's a cool GitHub handle. Yeah, sure. I'll open it up and look at it. What could go wrong, right? Oh my, you need a code formatter. Not too bad though. You should use a linter and a code formatter though. Do you commit early and often? On feature branches, yeah, but I usually just rebase them so they look fine. Bodega Meat says, conventional commits seems like the type of annoying first principles process bullshit some managers would love. Absolutely. But even then, like, I don't see how a manager gets value out of it. Because it's just nonsense. Like it's all subjective, and oh, but it makes your commit messages machine readable. What machine is reading my commit messages? Who gives a shit? How many lines of code did you already remove? I remember that being your goal at every employer. Does GitHub still show that value? I feel like they got rid of it. I seem to remember they got rid of it, but I'm in the top 10 committers at Sentry already. Oh yeah, it doesn't show the deltas anymore. It sucks. Oh, total delta git. Site Stack Overflow. I feel like I'm not searching the right terms. Statistics, that's the word I'm looking for. Holy fuck, what? Where's the fucking one-liner I can just copy paste? This one? Yeah, this seems... This seems like what I want. This part of it. We don't need to eliminate anything, I guess. Heyo! Let's fucking go, baby! I'm fucking negative 30K! Live coding, hello, how you doing? I live in git commit filth, so I almost never rebase, and I found that when people hear that, they're horrified, but I live my best life. I mean, if you don't find value out of it, don't do it. I find value out of it, so I do it. But, you know, that's the way it goes. Beat good money, ref bad, wasted developer time, could have developed new feature. I hate how accurate you are to management down this river. Yeah, GitHub got rid of the stats because it was difficult to compute. And try to write as many messages in the affirmative, so fixing a bug would say something like, no longer has problem X is improved with a bug fix prefix. Meanwhile, I've never met someone who does conventional commit messages. Everyone I know lives in filth too. Conventional commit messages are stupid. You don't have to live in filth if you're not doing them. But yeah, Xanthrius is also here. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. All right, we're back on our bullshit for day 21. So yeah. So I've been thinking about this problem a lot, and I think there's kind of two things that I was missing in my initial implementation, which we have to think about differently in our new implementation. And that is that there are multiple shortest paths to get to a particular point, and due to the nesting depth of the bots, the shortest paths, we have to try both of them, or have to try all of them. But a local shortest path, I think, is correct for any of the things. So we just have to compute them, and then we somehow have to break up the problem so that it collapses down into something that doesn't boil the universe. Back on my bullshit, updating dependencies of random repos. Hey, there you go. Yeah, GitHub keeps the stat if there are less than 10,000 commits. Oh, is it still there on other repos? I thought they had just nuked it entirely. 10,000 commits? Oh. 1,200. X! Thank you for the resub at 21 months and for 6 months in advance. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by and subscribing. Come on, GitHub, what the fuck? It's only 1,200 commits. Why does it take so long? There we go. It does have the deltas here. Okay, so it's only big repos that it doesn't. Interesting. Interesting. Uh-huh. Yeah, anyway. Oh yeah, but I'm top 10 now, I think. 9, number 9. Oh, I guess I could have just looked at the number. Yo, I've passed Armin. And Armin will never catch up. I don't know if he's announced it publicly. Yo. And Matt isn't at the company anymore. He doesn't commit anymore. Still the company, still the company, still the company, still the company. Co-founder doesn't write code anymore. So I'll pass some people some. Is he more into management now? For now, I should make sure that I don't know where I would look this up. Nah. I don't give a shit. Armin's leaving Sentry at some point. He's gonna go build his own thing. Virtual is the best, says a developer using Linux. Where have I seen this before? where have you seen this before? What? I don't think so. The new server. I think he's building his new, but I don't know any details. I haven't talked to him about it. Okay, so we're back on our bullshit for day 21. And I think we have to think about the problem completely differently than we were thinking about it before. We make a thing work correctly. Ass trash? Right. Well, I'm gonna put the desk down so I can brain a little bit better. That's not the right button. Clearly I should grab another beer so I can brain a little better, right? Nothing could go wrong with that, right? Ass trash? Yeah. Yeah. Basically the same thing, right? Well, I do know why. I was like, I don't know why these screws become undone after a while, but I do sort of know why. You use a separate GitHub account to work account. I do. Is gonna get the right results. Yeah, well, it's the second result here. You can watch the video for the answer there. Why is my clock wrong again? What the fuck? That's so weird. It's very strange. You know, I don't know why I didn't just do sync with the internet. I think we're gonna do that though. Wow, it was very far off. I'm surprised anything worked. Because usually when your clock drifts, then like TLS doesn't work anymore. Shrugs. We're gonna leave it synced and see what happens. Is there a way to cd up multiple directories instead of doing cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot? Not really. I know some people do like alias dot 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 equals cd. That would be 3 up. Like I've seen this before. And then you would do like 3 dots for this. And then 2 dots for this. And so then you can do dot dot to go up 1. Or dot 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 to go up 2. Or dot 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 to go up 4. But these seem too subtle for me. Sentry did choose the best location in Europe though. That's huge. Plus Vienna is amazing. I feel like Vienna is cool. The place where the Sentry office is that feels like a prison. Very like concrete and rectangular buildings with not very large windows and like nothing green. That's what Q below. How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. I thought you were in Puerto Rico with that clock time. I don't know what's going on with that. Usa says I use a shell script that supports the dot 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 without aliases, but it's so confusing. Yeah, it sounds awful. Virtual says if you can write date predicting software without libraries that account for leap years, you're a better programmer than Microsoft programmers. I can just lean on some like standard library. But Patrick says only CD makes you to home. Yeah, CD without arguments goes home. I actually have a YouTube short about that. Yeah, the city is nice. Vienna is a pretty nice city. I've been there several times. Okay, we're back on D21. So I think what I have to think about is how, like, what series of directions get you to each place. And zigzagging is probably bad because anything that goes just in a straight direction is going to be optimal, because changing directions in these means you have to do a bunch of like lower level bullshit in the other bots. Used to be a bug with Azure broke on leap years. I mean, totally, 100%. Yeah, there's dates fucking suck. So I think what we can do is represent. We could probably compute all the paths between all these and all the paths between all these. And then the best ones live on. But like A to 2, there's only 2 paths that are equal. Left up and up left. And I don't see how those are different. It's like A to 1, zigzagging makes no sense. working from home the next 2 weeks. I did go to the office almost every day for the past year. Wow. Huh. I haven't been to an office in a while. X is lurking. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. So my original goal, or my original attempt, was to greedily find the way to change one of these. It did produce a result, but it failed after a certain depth. So I don't think that... That's so funny. Yeah, it was running for 23 hours. Good job, PyTest. Let me commit my part 1 that is brute force based. It has a breakpoint in it still. And it has the wrong value. What the fuck? Oh, this is the improved one. Where's the... This, I think, is the brute force one. What? Oh, this is... Why did I fuck up the code? Why did I fuck up the code? Oh no, Zithris. You got automated twice in a row. I don't have a thing because I don't use that file. So I don't have an answer for you. Are there more prints? So that's what I got for this one, for part 1. Do 8962. Okay. But I feel like this still has extra code that I don't need. Where's the part where I built up the oh yeah, this is... A21 part 1. So we'll commit part 1 at least. This is... Oh, Andrew Lane's lurking. Sounds good. This is so sad. Can we punt a Popeye's chicken sandwich into the ocean? What does that mean? What does that mean at all? What? No. What does that mean? Hello? Did I stutter? I don't think you did, but I also don't know what the fuck you mean. It's a good MOTD though. Okay. So I think we need to compute the best paths from any point in here to any other point in here. And then we can use those recursively to figure out the best paths from each of these downwards. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can we get 5 likes? Is this a meme that I just don't understand? There's a video titled "Boat Beached in the Ocean: Popeye's Chicken Sandwich Returning." I don't think that's what it is though. I feel like I've fucked my search recommendations. Oh, this is so sad. Can we get 5 likes as the original meme? I see. I see. Chicken sandwich is just a derivation of it. Okay, I am not familiar with this meme. But that's good to know. It's good to know. Very dank meme. Someone say too dank? A. Answer says, I have a raging wolf helm. What the hell is that? Yeah, what the fuck? Why do you have a raging wolf helm? Pretty sure no one has said dank in the last 5 years. I'm pretty sure someone has. Badge was earned for watching Elden Ring during the initial Shadow of the Erd Tree expansion launch. Oh. Okay. So I think we need to figure out the most paths. Yeah. Let's start the fuck over. Where's the one where we have the other test case? Here. Why do I have so many files? What the fuck are all these files? I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore either. This is my, like, no, we don't need this one either. This is where I tried my, like, recursive cost thing. We'll keep that one. This one is also that one. Get rid of that one. This is that one. And this is the one we're working on. Is it? No, it's not. Dude, I'm just confusing myself. Oh, let's do this. Delete a bunch of code. And I don't know why I ran the linter. It's fine. Did we fix part 2? That's what we're doing right now. How you doing, Bugle Cook? We're starting over. I don't like to depend about spamming PRs. I could lower it to like monthly so that would take more work. I'm about to make that dependency upgrade script I talked about earlier. Yeah, make it happen. I find dependabot really annoying too. Okay, so the idea here is to take in a map of things and return back a dictionary that maps one character to another character, and then a list of strings that can produce that movement. Maybe. Dependabot is good for SOC 2 audits? Oh, because you can just say, oh yeah, we have dependabot set up. And then if dependabot fucks up, it's not your fault, it's someone else's fault. I see. Jira? I mean, who the fuck doesn't use Jira? Okay, so if we're on A, and we need to do some movement to go to, let's say, 6, we would do some things and then press A again. If we're on 6 and we need to go to 6, we literally just press A. So I think that's how we can build our map here. It says, where are your specifications? Here, adminofcode.com. Okay. So now we need to figure out the total set of paths here. And I'm pretty sure we can prune anything that zigzags. That'll always be bad. Let's do that first. But we have these as position. I really want these as string. Yeah, because we're gonna look them up as strings later. So these are wrong right now. But we can just fix it. Doesn't super matter whether it's a attack or not, I guess. And we want to get all paths, not just shortest path. Well, we want to get all shortest paths, not just the first shortest path. So we gotta say best equals the dictionary. Pause. Path equals 2.pop. Pause equals k2. Ret dot append path. Continue. Otherwise, if the best that we've gotten is less than the length of path, then we are worse to the position we've reached. Otherwise, and then we don't continue. Oh. Otherwise, for and in supports dot Snow Cone has resubscribed. Hello, hello, Snow. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Snow also streams on Twitch, so you should go check out Snow's streams. Snow has been doing Advent of Code as well. And how you doing? Good to see you again. Hope you're doing well. I don't want to do it this way. For D in supports dot direction 4, because we want to get the actual string that we do. The Jerka, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Snow says, I'm scared of this problem. I haven't read it through, but everyone says it's so rough. Part 1's pretty easy. Part 2, I haven't figured out yet. So it might not be that bad. Just have to do it and get to an answer. But given that I spent a couple hours on it yesterday, yeah, it's probably the hardest one in this year so far. I'm doing all just super sleepy lately. Yo, same. I'm just tired. I'm tired. I feel like life is hard and yeah, basically. If canned in world then to do dot append, this should be pop left. It actually doesn't matter because we're reversing everything. Why is life hard, Anthony? Solve it, solve it. Listen, I know the solution to all of my problems, but it is so hard to motivate myself to actually do the necessary steps that I need to get to there. Or what I assume is the solution to all my problems. Who fucking knows? Maybe there isn't one. But what are you gonna do? All right, canned and convert that. So let's see what we get here. Import error, of course. Missing return statement. It's this, but it's not gonna. Anyone called? Yeah, don't care. Sys not imported. No annotation for this. This is dict tuple int. And then we just have unassigned stuff. Oh god. What have we done? Oh, I know. I forgot to assign best. This pause equals len path. Okay. So I'm pretty sure we can ignore these things. They are longer. Okay, so those are equivalent. This one I think we can eliminate because I think these are both better. The question is how to compute the best chunking. How do I know how many chunks there are? So we just need to write a little function called chunks. Is that it? Dark Shock says, hey, day 21 is true. We are continuing on day 21. Yeah. Seems good. All right. Let's see what we got here. These all seem fine. I'm rooting for you? Well, that might be too much. Okay. That is, I think, part of what we need. Now we know the shortest way to get from this character to this next character. And then I think recursively, it's basically like, how do you get from this character to this character? Well, in that case, it's this, and oh, we just press A. Cool. You have to get from this character to this character. It is either this choice or this choice. So you've generated two separate sequences there. And then putting those together, you have A, and then, well, you start, I guess you implicitly start with an A. Yeah, because everything is always an A. So you start with A arrow. So A right arrow is V, and then right arrow, or I guess VA, and then right arrow is A. Maybe these should be empty strings. Or maybe these should have an A in them. I think these need to be empty strings. Okay, so doing this recursively, we do A to right arrow, which is V, and then right arrow to right arrow, or VA, and then right arrow to right arrow is A. So VAA, and then right arrow to up is, where the fuck is it? These choices. So then you have a fork here. Not sure. Just got to Texas. Hope your stream is going well. It's going all right. It's going all right. Yeah, something like this. I'm gonna use the restroom. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Welcome to the stream, Menace Maketa. Please talk in English because I don't know what you said, so I can't possibly moderate your messages. Okay, so let's try and apply these ideas to stuff. So let's say we did a to 0. A to 0 is right, and then A is this bit here. And then 0 to 2 is up. So we do up and then A. That seems fine. 2 to 9 is either of these choices. Did you finish your live? No, I didn't. It's French? Oh, it's French without the accents? Yeah, I typed it into Google Translate before going back to my main screen, and it did not detect French. But it does work when I click translate from French, so. No, I'm still alive. I just did a little beer back screen. There's two choices here. Do we need to try both of them? Is the question. Well, interestingly enough, okay, so they tried this sequence. I guess you could also try the other sequence. Does it super matter which one you pick? I don't know. And then I guess looking at this sequence, we have A and then arrow. We have an implicit A at the beginning. A and then left arrow? No, A and then down arrow. These two choices. And why did we get different? Why is this different here? A and then left arrow. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So that's this bit here. And then left arrow and then A. They picked this one. Arch is going to 3, 11, 3, 13, 1. Cool. At this point, I only see smiley face in the code. Yeah. Okay, so I think I kind of get how this is going to work. So I kind of want to try and solve this for... Let's just do a quick little test here. Let's say we have a... I know, don't do computation at your module level, but it'll make this way more convenient, I think. Okay, so let's say that there are... So if there are 0 bots, we should expect this string. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's see what this does. This is not defined because we did 2 bots. Oh. 8 are the results. Oh, because we need to we need to put an A on the end of these. Okay, so we have that, I guess. We got 8 here. And so let's see if we can do it with bots equals 1. We should get 28. Okay, that seems to be working. What if we go the next level down? $68. Now we will have to actually compute one more to get further down, because we also know that our last algorithm worked fine at this level too. So we need to use our brute force to figure out what the next one is after that. Is this one? Where'd it go? You're not there, but you have the values there. 2 times 3, and put a breakpoint. Where? $64. Oh. Okay, that's promising. But again, we didn't get our problem until we went to length 4. So 404. Let's try it at length 5. Just I feel like we're in a rhythm here. I feel like this is working. Gonna take a while. That's fine. 998. Please. Okay. Seems promising. So we should be able to just cache these. Lee Brown says Erlkin. Hello. No says, what the fuck for day 12 part 2? What is this Z3 dot minimize? I cheated a little bit on that one. Z3 is what's called a theorem prover. It's sort of magical. You basically describe you describe a problem, and it will tell you first whether it's satisfiable, and then 2, it will attempt to spit out a solution. Back with snacks. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I could have done that one manually, but I wanted to show off Z3 because I feel like Z3 is pretty cool. Basically for that one. Oh, I had the wrong repo. That part took me 4 hours. Yeah, it would have taken me a lot longer if I was going to actually think about it, because it's not actually that tough of a problem. Like, you're basically, I reverse engineered my assembly to figure out that this is the instructions that it's doing, and really it's basically take a, this is not a nibble. Oh no, it is a nibble. Is it a nibble? Yeah, half a byte. Take a nibble at a time, perform some math on it, and you technically build up a series of equations based on each of those nibbles, and you know the width of it. But Z3 just kind of solves those for you. A nibble? Yeah, nibble is a programmer term. For half a byte. Oh shit, it's less than a nibble. It's 3 bits. Fuck. partial nibble. It's not a nibble. It's something else. But anyway. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. I think we just kind of have our solution now. Just say total equals 0 for keypad S in S dot split lines. Total plus equals keypad len keypad S times int keypad S colon -1. We also have to pass in vods equals vods. Turn total. And then we have our expected here, but we also can get it from the other one, where we have the more values ones. I should just copy the fucking thing. Fred the Crab, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. How does a crab manage to create a Twitch account? The world may never know. The world may never know. You defined here, missing named argument bots. 25. This should be bots equals 2. And this should be bots. Oh. Pogs all around. Okay, so that number was too high before. We do have a number that's lower. Please. Let's go, baby! Woo! Man, fuck this problem. I am kind of surprised that worked, but I'm not complaining. What did I change here? Oh, also... Day 21, part 2. Wusa says, last year I learned that a byte wasn't always 8 bits. The French equivalent of a byte is an octet with the prefix oct. It implies 8 something. Oh. No says, I've been listening but not watching because no spoilers. Hey, it's all good. I don't know if I could explain what I did anyway, so. Taco Snack says, that was weird, it wouldn't let me chat. Oh, were you on a VPN? I know Twitch does some like VPN blocking stuff. Will happen. No says, but I'm looking through your other solutions from previous days and holy, your code is just so much better. What do you use frozen sets for again? Frozen sets are a set that is immutable, so it just can't be modified, which also makes it so it can be hashable. I usually use it if I need a quick lookup. Like fast lookup for containment, but also to keep things immutable. And it's just a set that just can't be modified once created. Okay, we're caught up again. Good job, us. No. Don't need to do that. Yeah, caught up again. Nice. All right. Well, we're just 3 days away from the finale. I think I'm going to try and do the last 2 days live. We will see if we do those live or not. Do a live? Yeah, we might. I already did 22. Yeah, we started with 22 today. Basically, we did 22 because I was like, this is gonna be easier, and then we came back to 21 with a With a clear mind after one beer. A clear mind after 8% beer. Yeah. Haven't even started, so you're doing better than me. Hey, I mean, no, it's not a race. Unless you're going for points. But even then, it's not a race. Do I even have a private leaderboard anymore? No. Why am I in Michael Hoffman's? I don't even know who that is. Oh. Whoever it is, I'm rolling everyone. Oh, this must be the work one. Yeah. Must be the work one. What happened to my private leaderboard? Do I still have the code from previous years? I don't even know. In here. 2019 private leaderboard. I joined my own private leaderboard. You can't join your own private leaderboard. What the fuck? How do I view it? Oh, it's here. Yeah. I'm probably not even close to. I don't even see me on here. Yeah, I'm way the fuck down here. Cause we got sweaties. We got people that play it live. I used to be that sweaty, but haven't done that in a while. Oh, and look at all the people that haven't submitted. Get to it. I can kick people. Wait, Epsilon isn't doing it this year? Oh, bad. Juice hasn't started. A lot of names in here already. We got Batman. Oh, True? True hasn't done one. What the fuck, True? An anonymous user? Yeah, look at anonymous user up in here. They're kicking. This anonymous user is kicking my ass. Please don't kick me in my heartless jaw. Oh, yeah, you're fine. Epsilon got too small. You want to join? Here's the code. You want to join? Yeah, reading is hard, Angelinax. I'm just, yeah. I'm on 18 part 2. I need to do 18.5, 19, 20, 21 today to catch up. Do it! Do it! Do it! Use beer for better Python development? Basically. That's my strat. I miss Juice and True streams. I don't think True and Jordan are ever going to stream again. I feel like they're just checked the fuck out at Twitch, which I don't blame them. Like, they found much more profitable ways to spend their content allocated time, which, like, do we. I stream because it's fun. Of course, if I wanted to make money, I would just make TikToks and YouTube shorts. Such. Met with them in New York, and Jordan said he's considering streaming again. Oh, that would be cool. Also, True and Jordan are mad at me. I need to repair that relationship, but I don't know how to approach them yet. They're mad at me for a good reason. They're mad at me for a good reason. You want drama story time? Here, I'm gonna end the YouTube recording so that this gets lost in the ether. And then we'll do some real talk. Yeah, we're gonna end the YouTube recording.